Right, so here's how I'm using ChatGPT to create free backlinks, right? This is my site right here, and if I go to backlinks, you can see if I sort by DR, there's a couple ones here with 92, 84, 81, 80, 72. So actually quality backlinks from quality domains that actually get traffic. So not just some random backlinks, but quality ones. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it too. Now, before I do show you, I wanna mention, of course, that this is applied to my own business. And so I'm going to tell you how we do it for my business, but then you need to apply this and apply the same principles to your own business. Now, what makes us unique, and of course, I'm going to tell you how we're doing it because you again need to apply it to yourself, is we're a software business, right? We're a SaaS, software as a service. People come here, they pay us and for the service, right? So because we're a software business, a good way to get backlinks for a software business is to list our site, right, on these directories, right? And what a directory is essentially is a place, right? A website, in this case, for example, this one, design.net, right? A place where they list a bunch of, in this case, softwares, right? And we list ourselves either on their listings page, right? We're here and we get a backlink from there, or maybe they have a dedicated blog, right? Where they write articles about each one of these tools, right? For example, let's say Airbnb, sometimes they write articles about their stays, right? A full-length article about this stay with a link to the site. So there's two types of backlinks when it comes to these directory types of sites. And again, I'm telling you this because your business might not be getting backlinks from these types of sites, but again, the same principles apply. Right, so let me show you first how these look like. For example, this one is a DR84 link, and the anchor text is our brand name, which is always great. You want to target and you want to optimize your anchor text to be at least 80% branded anchors, right? Our brand name or naked URL, so journalist or tryjournalist.com. For example, also generic, like click here, learn more, visit the site, and I'd say 10 to 5% exact match anchors. So in our case, it could be an AI article generator or automatic blog site generator. Right? So I'm not trying to sell you on this. I'm just trying to apply the same principles to what I'm teaching you here. And if you want to learn more a bit about the anchor text rotations, the anchor text percentages, I'll leave a link down below. If I forget, remember to comment down below in the comments so I can like remember to do it. But yeah, just know that this is quite important. But yeah, moving on, this link looks like, for example, as I said before, on these types of sites, you have the listings, right? For example, this is a listing page with links to all these tools, but also have these dedicated blog posts. This is a blog post about the top 10 best AI writing tools for software creating. So if you scroll down here, we'll find our tool right here with a link back to us. Should be somewhere around here. Yeah, it's here in the title. We see here what type of anchor this is. So it's an H3, okay? Yeah, so it's an H3 because it's the title. So again, these are the types of links that we get for our own company, right? Now, why are these free and how can you make this free? Because we didn't pay any of these guys to create these links, right? And can keep on scrolling down here. Let me see another one that's a good one. For example, this one, I don't know, this one, another one. I mean, it's full of these powerful links, right? Again, this is the blog post, right? I mean, there's a bunch of them. Ones are higher quality, ones are lower quality, but you get the point, right? We have over 6,000 backlinks from almost 500 unique referring domains. And by the way, you want to make sure to keep this as tight as possible, right? Because ideally you want to have, you always have more backlinks than referring domains, but ideally you want to have one link on 2, 3, 4, 5 links per referring domains. Because if you have 1,000 links from one domain, most likely it's just a spam domain. And of course, the more links you have for a certain domain, they tend to lose power, right? Hopefully this made sense. But again, how do you actually get them? So for these sites, right, everyone on the internet is trying to make money, right? That's the whole goal of the internet. People are trying to make money. These guys, right, this brand right here, design.net, they are trying to make money. And so what you need to think is, okay, how do I create an incentive for them to put a link for their site back to mine? What's the incentive? And in software, again, you'll need to apply this to your own niche, your own business. But in software, and specific for our software, a way in which we can incentivize people to link back to us, right? And the way we can incentivize people to build all these links, right, is to give them something in return. What that is in our case, an affiliate program, right? So we pay affiliates, I think it's 30% forever, for lifetime. It's quite enticing, right? Quite enticing for these guys. And so they want to populate their site, they want to have content, they want to rank on Google. That's why they write these blog posts, right? They want people to visit their site. And because us, and I mean all these other tools, I'm sure Grammarly, you know Grammarly, these guys have also an affiliate plan, right? And they're doing something that's not very smart here. The link here, if you go look here at the bottom left, it is not an affiliate link. It just links to Grammarly. But they could link to their own affiliate link inside of Grammarly. Let me just see here, Grammarly affiliate. How much do these guys pay? I'm sure the affiliate program is great and they pay a lot. Yeah, so 20%, let's see here. Yeah, I don't know, they might pay a lot, right? And what these guys do, these guys aren't doing this, but they should, is they should be having affiliate links to other sites, right? And again, the way in which we can incentivize people to link back to us is because we have an affiliate program. That's why they write these blog posts, they link to us, they link to all these other guys, right? And also why they have us listed on their homepage, right? All these are links to these other websites. Again, in this case, it's actually linked to an actual dedicated page. And then if they were smart, they would put an affiliate link right here. Actually, yeah, this is an affiliate link. If you see here at the bottom left, right, this is an affiliate link. Okay, just should be linking out to it as an affiliate. Hopefully it does. Yeah, okay, so it's an affiliate link. So they're doing it here. They're not doing it on the other page, but it is smart what they're doing, right? So again, you need to create an incentive, right? So put yourself in in these guys' shoes, right? In sites that link back to yours and think, okay, what can I incentivize him? What can I do to incentivize him to link to me? And in most cases, it should be an affiliate program or some type of a monetary reward, right? And that's exactly what we're doing. Now, how do we actually automate this with ChatGPT and all that? The reality is that there's a bunch of these sites, right? This is not the only one. There's a bunch of them, right? And it takes time to go out and find the sites and actually go here and maybe click contact us. Where's the contact page? Should be down here. Contact us, click contact. And the layout is a bit weird. Let me just go here again to blog, scroll down to contact, right? Go here, fill all this in. And the reality is that these guys get a ton of emails, right? And so the way in which you can, of course, filter and be filtered throughout the spam is to write tailored messages. And in the AI age, it's going to be more and more important, right? Tailored message to the brand. So what you do is you go to ChatGPT, right? I have the paid version, so I have 4, but 3.5 works great. And so what you do is you do this, right? You copy the site URL, and you can. I'll if I remember, I'll leave the prompt down below, right? Write a tailored message to this brand, right? They're called this. Website is asking them if they would like to write a blog post about my AI startup called Journalist AI. And it was just set right here, tryjournalist.com. Making sure to mention our affiliate program as an incentive to do so, because again, there's a bunch of people wanting links from them, right? Why are we different? Why would they link to us? Because our affiliate program is better than anyone else that's out there, right? Incentive, so it's the best in the market. And you can play around with this, right? The whole goal is to be a tailored message, right? Something that speaks to them, right? And you can make it less cheesy, make it more personal, and make it shorter and straight to the point, right? That's the whole goal, right? So let's stop this. This is too long, right? It's super long, right? Boom, just do it like this, right? And if you can find a personal contact, right, for the actual founder of the site, even better. In this case, we can see that it's called Marius, right? So do this. You can even say address the site owner by their real name, and because it's browsing the web, I'm sure they can I'm sure they can find the name. Not really. I could just say browse Twitter, but yeah, you get the point, right? The whole goal is to leverage this tool because you don't want to be writing these messages one by one individual to all these websites, right? You want to make sure to automate the process and increase the speed and efficiency as fast as you can, right? So leverage a tool like ChatGPT to write tailored messages for you. Then just copy this, right? Bam, go here to the site contacts page and message them, right? And if you want to take this even a step further, you can play around with this and if you're, for example, targeting sites that are a bit more competitive, you can ask them and you can propose some type of custom deal. But again, the whole thing stems because these guys get a ton of emails, making it personalized and making it tailored to them. Super, super important. Now, in these directories, usually you can just click here, like a button to submit, right? And there's a bunch of ways in which you can submit your tool. Again, in our case, we did not submit the tool here. I think you even pay to submit, right? I think you pay to get the tool listed here. Let's see here, submit your app tool. Is it free? Is it paid? Yeah, so it's $200. We did not pay for this. We did not pay to be listed here. These guys did it manually for us because we have such a good affiliate deal. And again, you have to find a way in which you can convince people to link out to you, right? Your product needs to be good, of course, and that's why you can get actual valuable backlinks. But if you want to accelerate the process at which you get backlinks, you need to provide an incentive for people to write about you. And oftentimes that incentive is money. And the best way in terms of software, in case this software right here, is an affiliate program. Again, if you have an agency, maybe if you have actual physical business, you can offer coupons, you can offer, you can offer referrals fees, you can offer a bunch of stuff, but basically, and most times the incentive is always money-based, right? That's people are moved by money, right? That's how it is. And so take a look at your business and find an incentive, a monetary incentive that you think could have people link back to you, right? Linking back to you, and again, then of course, write a proper message to them saying what you offer in terms of monetary value, because people respond to money, and do this like that. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that 90% of people you reach out to, they will not reply on the first try. That's just reality. And this might seem super simple or cliche, but reality is that when you follow up, 90% of people only reply to the follow-up. So 90% of them do not reply to the first email, but 90% of them reply to the second, to the follow-up. So it's important that you follow up. So when you want a link from any site, right, you reach out to them with a tailored message. Don't just quit after the first one. Like if they don't reply 2-3 days after, email them again, right? Make your offer clearer, right? Email them and follow them up, and only stop following up, if they say stop. If they don't say stop, follow up over and over and over again, because I can assure you that they're reading your emails, they're being opened, right? And they're just not replying because it is not worth their time. And again, a way in which you can make it worth their time is if you convey the value, convey your offer across in a better way. And if you're writing multiple emails, it's multiple opportunities you have to convey your offer to the person that's opening the emails. Hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully this was valuable. Again, this will depend on your niche, on your industry, but the principles are the same. To acquire backlinks for free, right, you either have to have a monetary incentive, right, giving them something in return, right? And again, it is still free because we only pay the commission in our case if they bring us a client, right? If they bring us a client, for example, worth $60, right, our commission is 30%. So we still make money, right? So this hopefully this is making sense. So yeah, finally, another way in which you can, find these sites is just use Ahrefs to paste in your competitor site right here, go to backlinks, sort by DR, and see, okay, what backlinks are my competitors getting? And scour through this and saying, okay, which ones can I replicate? And I have a video solely on this. I have a video solely on how to replicate your competitors' backlinks. But essentially, it stems from this, right? It stems from looking at these ones and opening them up and getting in touch with them and saying essentially, hey, listen, I see you link out to these guys, my competitors, right? What about linking out to us as well? We offer you X, Y, and Z, right? Again, there always needs to be an offer in the backend. You always need to give incentive to people for them to link back to you, right? Of course, you might get some organic links here and there for people that absolutely love your product, but if you want to accelerate the process, you need to give them something in return. And oftentimes that something is money. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Like, subscribe, try out Journalist AI. It's pretty cool. It essentially automates your on-page SEO process, because if you're into SEO, there's off-page, on-page, and technical. Off-page link building, technical is like schema markup and meta tags and all that. On-page is the article writing, and I can show you real quick here how these articles look like. If we go here to history and just go here to, for example, type golden, because I did generate a couple of articles in the golden retriever niche. Open this up. Essentially, this writes articles like as the ones you see here with featured images, proper tables of contents, right? Proper content structuring with in-article images, internal links, external links. There's even in-article images. There's also videos that are tailored to what the content is about. Again, I can skim through all these ones. I can just click here to post them straight to my integration. My integration, by the way, can be anything I like. Can be my WordPress site, can be my Shopify store, Ghost Weeks, Webflow, Bloggers API, or an external API. There's a bunch more stuff like indexing the content for you on autopilot, syndicating the content to social media. Also does keyword research. If you add your site right here and at your site, at your location, and your target language, it gives you a list of keywords that you should be targeting and producing content for. You can select the ones you want and have the AI actually generate and publish content to your site on autopilot. And if you want to automate the whole process, just go to Autoblogs, new Autoblog, and you can select here how many articles you want the AI to generate, right, and publish every single month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. Pretty cool. So yeah, I won't bore you with this anymore. That's it. That's the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.